All right, I'll give you guys a few things that I'm doing for fall. One of the course, I've shared this before. You know, I've got my little jacket. You know, because sometimes when you're transitioning, like from fall to, you know, from summer to fall, it's like you're not, the sun is still beaming, and depending on where you are in the world, it's like, look, the sun is still beaming, and it's hot, cold, cold, hot, you know what I'm saying? So you can transition by just throwing on a little light button down collar shirt, or, you know, sweater or jacket, something that's really light to put over your sleeveless dresses, and you can continue to wear them, especially if they're like a you know, like a color, or you like today, I just feel like polka dots. I'm just saying, I no explanation needed. And I'll put on my little cherry necklace, which we talked about. I got my comfy blanket out, because what's comfort without, what is fall without being comfortable? I'm just saying. And then the next thing you need is coffee. Yes. So let's go ahead and let's make us some coffee. Okay, let's go ahead and make us a cup. Then we'll come back and I'll talk to you about what's in my cup. All right, so I got this amazing box from Javy Coffee, and let's see what's in here. Let's see what all I got. Let's see what all I got. All right, I'm so excited. Ooh, come on out of there. Yes. Ooh, Javy original coffee concentrate. All right now, okay. We're gonna wake up, okay. And this is, you use 1 to 2 teaspoons, all right, with hot water. So I got my cup ready, but wait a minute, wait. Oh, look what else I got. What is that? Okay, hang on, y'all. Okay, let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. Come out, Javy, wherever you are. Look them up. Follow them, okay, on Instagram and YouTube and everywhere. I know for sure they're on Instagram. But look what's in there. Are those straws? Oh my gosh, they done messed up. And it's gonna match my gold cup. Y'all. All right, y'all, I got it all unboxed, and it came with not 1 but 2 straws, and I even got a straw cleaner. Yes, isn't that nice? Thank you, Javy Coffee. And let's go ahead and get started and make some coffee. Yum. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that, me making my coffee. And thank you also to Javy Coffee for sharing these beautiful, amazing coffee with me. I've got my links below and codes below so that you can check out Javy Coffee. It's original coffee concentrate, and you only need 1 to 2 teaspoons of the coffee concentrate. It comes in this great bottle, so you can pour right out. And let me see. Oh, there they are. My spoons. I got these measuring spoons from, what are they, the Wild Woman? I can never think of her name. But these teaspoons, I got them from Walmart. I love these, love these, love these. Okay. But yeah, so you just need 1 to 2 teaspoons, or you know, whatever is best for you to make your coffee. And you just need hot water. So yeah, Javy, yeah, shout out to you. And they were so awesome because they sent me these beautiful gold straws. Look at that. And then y'all know where this came from. Come on, y'all don't even have to think. Baby girl, right? This is this is baby girl's cup. So we borrowed it. I borrowed it for the video. I don't know if she's gonna get it back though, but yeah. So this is warm, that's why I keep this is kind of warm, so that's why I keep doing that. This whole, it's kind of metal, so this whole thing gets warm. But ooh, warm you up. Yes, warm you up for fall. Yes, Javy is gonna warm you up and keep you warm for fall. It's ready, it's time. Then you can add whatever you want, whatever you guys like. The pumpkin spices and the apple spices, all the warm things, the marshmallow, whatever you like to add to your coffee. Whatever you need to warm you up, you know, a little Jack Daniels and Jack, y'all know what I'm saying. Whatever you need to warm you up, you go ahead and do what you need to do. I'm just saying. All right, guys, enough playing around. Let me move my spoons out of the way. Yeah, and I got another straw too. So yeah, shout out to Javy. Y'all go Javy, go. I love working with beautiful, amazing company. So some of the other things that I have been doing and loving for fall are, I'm gonna share, since I've been talking about hair products. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna share my hair products. I'm gonna sit that down because that's gonna be a lot to pick up. And so for the fall, when you're in shower, I'm gonna give you a low cost, just like I did with Dossier. I'm gonna give you the low cost option and the more expensive option. You choose what you want to choose. And so on the spectrum is Dove. Now Dove's not ultra expensive, you guys know that, but it is cheaper than Dollar Tree. But this is the Dove. This is a warm fragrance, Dove chocolate fragrance for the fall. Okay, it smells delicious. And this, you use this, girl, this is chocolate milk all day. We've talked about this. I got a whole body care videos. I'm gonna leave it linked below. But you use this, girl, I'm swallowing because it's gonna smell like a chocolate tree. And then you pair this with your BK540 or any of the scents that I shared from my last video when we talked about fall, my Dossier fragrances. Girl, it's gonna be good. Now another low cost is this is a low cost that's gonna be less expensive than your Dossier. It's gonna be your cocoa butter wash. And so this is your cocoa butter wash. Girl, I'm telling you, this is by Spa Soap, and it is at Dollar Tree, so it's $1.37 in Tennessee tax. I'm just saying, one of the cashiers told me that. She's like, oh, it's $1.30. You know, she was telling me it's $1.37 in tax. I was like, girl, that's all I need to know. So now when I add up my stuff, I just add up $1.37 times 100 or whatever, how many of them I'm buying, because I can't, you know, I love Dollar Tree and I love Dove. So this is my daughter's, by the way, but I'm telling y'all, this smells just like this. Yes, this is a cocoa butter. It's a cocoa butter body wash with moisturizers. Yes, it's the same. It's the same. They just do it right. They just do it right, and I love it. And so those are your body wash. You want to start out in the shower. Use your soaps. Olay has a great cocoa butter soap. There are a lot of soaps out there that are going to give you those deep, rich. You want the deep, rich kind of fragrances and scents. Suave has one that's a cocoa butter that's a deep, rich, right, to go with your. To me, when I'm pulling fragrances for the fall, I'm going into this deep richness for the fall. It just is comforting. Makes your lips snack, kind of water, and makes you feel like a snack. I'm just saying. So then once I get out of the shower, well, I'm gonna do my hair, right? So the next thing I'm gonna do while I'm in the shower is to make sure I do my hair. And so I'm pulling these fragrances, these deep dark fragrances. This is my favorite conditioner, and this is one of my favorite shampoos. This is the Bolero line. Y'all already know I got hair videos about Bolero, and so I'll leave a link below. But this is the tea tree bamboo. So it's giving me green, but it's a deep kind of dark woodsy kind of fragrance, which reminds you of it reminds you of going, especially in this time, going from summer into your you know, going into your fall, deeper into your winters, and you know, bamboo, but also like a fir, right? Those trees that are green all year round, right? So that's what this kind of reminds me of, because you want to bring in the green. And then this is avocado and Moroccan oil. Ooh, this Moroccan oil is deep and it's lovely for your hair. So you want your hair to smell good, right? And there are those hair perfumes as well, and I always spray up with my perfumes anyway. I go up. This is of course HAVES, but I go up kind of in, you know, into my hair anyway. But layering those fragrances are just beautiful. So you want to smell good from your head to your toe. All right, so that's your hair. And then when I get out of the shower, this is would be the leave-in conditioner. Now this is if I wanted the chocolate kind of scent. Of course, you know, I've talked about chocolate not necessarily being my absolute favorite, but on a day when I really want to smell good, I would add a little bit of this, not necessarily for the hair care portion of it, although it does have some great things, and Garnier is great, but I would do it for the scent, right? I'm going out and I want to have that beautiful kind of scent and fragrance. I would add just a little tad of this, just to give my hair that beautiful fragrance, because I have to be careful. Y'all know what I spray in my hair. And then for my lotion, you know, I've shared lotions before that are going to give you the Jergens, that are going to give you the deep scent. Another one that I found is this Wonder, and it's the vanilla cashmere. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Y'all, you know I shared vanilla scents fragrances last time in the last video when I did Dossier's Ambery Mint. Okay, so go check that out. I got some things that I paired from Victoria's Secret. In fact, this is one of them. So let me grab it. Right, so I paired that with, and so you have to go check that video out. But this is cashmere as well, and vanilla. So this girl is a dupe for this. Smells, I'm just saying, amazing. And so y'all smell that? I'm just saying, y'all, it smells, it reminds me of this Dove. Okay, it reminds me of this Dove with this coconut. And so you're just layering those scents. It's going to give you that vanilla and cashmere, and it's going to make you smell good. It's going to make you feel good, feel luxurious, and it's going to give when you spray your fragrances, then it's going to give them something to stick to, right? So they can really stick to your skin and be more long lasting. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As much as I enjoyed sharing it, so thank you to Javy Coffee. Yes, because the things you need for fall are, one, a good cozy blanket. You need something to transition with, right? Just a good cardigan or a long sleeve button down shirt. You also need a little bit of coffee, right? Or tea. Y'all know I'm a tea fan. I'm just saying. And a good straw and a good cup. It's not gonna hurt you. And then you want to round it out with being cozy, sitting by the fire, watching Netflix and chill, right? Watching a good Bond movie, watching a good movie, right? The Woman King is coming out. Well, I love you guys. See you in another video real soon.